Accessible Adam here. We just finished this Laguna Beach tram and about to take a ride. Here's the car, there's the track, endpoints up there. I'm pressing the up button, up, and here we go, going for a ride. There's the controller at the bottom, that call send. There's the safety limit switches there. There's a light under this seat here. Just press with the light button there. And here we are going up. Up, 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 up. Nice smooth ride. Overlooking the ocean. You can't beat that view. Coming back up. Now you can stop this tram at any point along the way. You just push the emergency stop right here, and it stops. Pull the button back out again. Press the up button, and there you go. This little area right here is called the machine room. The motor's in there, and the drum with all the cable. Coming up to the top here. There's the limit switches on the left. Up there, the safety switches. There's a terminal limit and a final limit. But we've put it so it'll stop right here like this. And boom, it stops. And the safety feature is also, this gate is open at any point. I cannot go down. It kills the power, see? Kills the power. I cannot go down, and here we are at the top of this magnificent home in Laguna Beach, California, with the Marine Innovations tram installed and serviced by Accessible Construction.